heavy duty soft clothes. And here you get 4 different levels. There's plenty of room here. And it also comes with packing cube. I love that there's no zippers here. A carry-on, it's not gonna fall over. I don't want to worry about like breaking it. I want to feel confident in it. Amazing. Okay, here it is. Looks like Tortellino definitely licked it here. I don't know if you can see, but here it is. This is my new suitcase and I'm so excited. Here, let me adjust it. Okay. As you may know, I had my previous suitcase for a few years now and it's still didn't fall apart, but it's close to it. And there are some things that really, they're an issue for me. So I was looking for an alternative, something that would just bring me more joy and would be less frustrating to deal with. So I got this suitcase and Level8 was so nice to send me this. I looked at their website and I saw a few different carry-ons that looked very, very interesting. One of them was actually a very high capacity. I had a completely different handle. Okay, so let me just open it, get into it, and then I'm gonna tell you why I chose this one over some other interesting carry-ons. Okay. And as you can see, it comes with this awesome dust bag, and I always recommend keeping your suitcase in a dust bag because otherwise they get very dusty and it's just a pain to deal with. I used to store my suitcases without the dust bag because like the previous ones didn't come with one. So yeah, they just look dirty. Okay, as you can see, it's an aluminum suitcase and there's a car that is very loud. So this is an aluminum suitcase. It's a pretty bold choice for me. I've seen these throughout the years. They look obviously amazing, but that was never something I like considered getting, mostly because of the weight. And I'm gonna talk about it a little bit and also why I went with this one. So let me just fully unpack it. Look at this. Here's the lock instructions. It's the TSA lock. So basically, if you decide to check in this bag, it will be no problem for the TSA. They won't have to damage it. Let's take the sticker off. And another handle protection. Ta-da! These handles are so cool. Look at this. Soft clothes. Oh, that's so fancy. Here's an overview. Okay, so first things first, I have to say, I expected this suitcase to be even heavier, but it's not that heavy. And there are reasons why I wanted a slightly heavier suitcase than my previous one. What? Why would you want a heavier carry-on? Well, mostly because the biggest frustration with my previous suitcase were the wheels. And it was a very light suitcase. I think it was even lighter than my husband's mono suitcase, but unfortunately that comes with some issues. And then whenever I would fill that suitcase up, the wheels would lock and it wouldn't run smoothly. It was a whole issue. It wasn't very comfortable when it was filled out. When it was almost empty, of course, no problem, but I usually put a lot of heavy stuff like my camera equipment and all the other stuff. My carry-on would usually still be heavy, and majority of airlines don't really check how heavy is your carry-on. As long as you can hold it, as long as you can lift it yourself, and as long as they can fit to the carry-on compartment, you're good. I know there are a few airlines that do check how heavy is your carry-on. It happened to me once with Norwegian at I believe it was Heathrow Airport. That was literally just the one time they checked. And I flew many times and they never ever checked my carry-on weight. So because of that, I really wanted to have a carry-on that would have smooth, very easy to roll wheels, 360 wheels, must have, and it would be good quality. Like I want to know that all my expensive camera equipment won't get damaged. And this is a pretty like heavy duty suitcase. And of course I also got it because of the looks. Like, just look at this. This is so gorgeous. Like, I looked at the so many other suitcases, and there are some very nice polycarbonate. That's what they are made of. Polycarbonate carry-ons that still look good, but you know, I'm kind of tired of the patina on them. You can clean them, but like, I was watching so many different reviews on all of these suitcases, and I really like how the aluminum suitcase or carry-ons looked. So that's why I got this one. Because of those reasons, there are 2 TSA locks here. So this is like super secure. Like, usually with carry-on there comes 1 lock, but here you get 2 for extra security. And one more thing that my previous carry-on was missing was the adjustment on the handlebar. There was just literally 1 adjustment. I couldn't, like, you know, slightly adjust it. There was just, you know, it can be fully extended or can be fully closed. And here you get 4 different levels. So let me show you. So that's the tallest one, and I'm a 5'6" for, you know, reference. So second one, slightly lower, and the third one, and that's the 4th one. You get multiple different adjustment levels on a handlebar, which I love. That's what I was looking for, and a lot of carry-on suitcases don't have that. So, wow, and the wheels. This is great. Look at this mechanism. Locked. Haha. Here. Okay. This is what it looks like on the inside. We have those clips here. That's how you unlock this. Oh, let's maybe start with the top here. Okay, so here we have 1 compartment, nothing in between, so there's plenty of room here. This is actually neat. And there is a whole pocket here. And it comes with, oh, look at this. Okay, so this is the silica bag that I'm gonna keep inside to keep it dry. And it comes with this beautiful, I actually didn't know that. It comes with this beautiful tag for your luggage. Huh. Well, that's neat. That's awesome. That's something that a lot of suitcases don't come with. I know that Monos comes with a nice tag, but I actually didn't know that this one would come with one, so this is pretty neat. I'm gonna attach it. Definitely. Cool. Okay, let's see what's here. So this is just a separator here in the middle. You can actually detach it, which I like. There's an option here. It just clips, so you can take this out just like so. If you don't need it, no problem. I would only use it like if I would have some, I don't know, delicate stuff, or like a suit you want to keep, you know, nice and wrinkle free. And if you want to put it back very easy. Done. Okay. Ooh, look at this. And it also comes with packing cubes, and I'm a huge fan of packing cubes, so we will unpack this later. But on this side, you get slightly less room when it comes to packing because you have the handlebar. So that's something that the other level 8 suitcase had, which I actually haven't seen on any other suitcases. Basically, the handlebar was on the was very wide. It was basically on the corners here, so then you had a lot more room on the inside. So it actually gave you like 43 liters of capacity, which is amazing. Like for 20-inch suitcase, like they are usually 35 up to 40, so 43, that was amazing. Unfortunately, it wasn't available in the color I wanted, so I'm still happy with this one, especially that my plan from now on is to keep my laptop in my basically personal item. I'm gonna just buy a travel bag that I'm gonna put on top of this suitcase. Here, let me close it. Okay, it's very easy. I love that there's no zippers here. I just hate zippers. They're a pain in the ass. So I really love that this just has these two locks, and of course you can, this is a TSA lock, like I said before, so you can program it very easily. There's instruction here attached, and you can keep whatever you have here secure. But so yeah, this is, I love that. I'm currently researching the best like travel bag that will have high capacity, will be light, and would look good. So that's what I'm looking for right now. And basically whenever like I travel, I'm just gonna put on top of the suitcase, and because it's a little heavier than like any other polycarbonate carry-on, it's not gonna fall over, because that was an issue I had with my previous carry-on. Like when it was heavy on the top, it would like, it wouldn't be balanced, and it was very hard to roll, and sometimes it would fall over. So that's why I really like this suitcase, because it's so heavy duty. So whenever I'm gonna keep my laptop here, which is not that light, it's a 16-inch MacBook Pro, I'm gonna be feeling safe just using this carry-on and a travel bag, because I use my laptop on the plane, so I need to have easy access. I don't want to, deal with opening the suitcase, taking out the laptop, and then closing it and everything. I just want to have it easy access in my purse, that I'm gonna take it with me, and this carry-on will just go to the carry-on compartment on the plane. And the wheels on this thing are so smooth. They feel very high quality, and they are very quiet. So I love that. And another thing, very important thing, this suitcase comes with a lifetime warranty, and I want to feel like I can depend on this carry-on. I don't want to worry about like breaking it. I want to feel confident in it. I want to be able to put all the stuff, like heavy stuff, and feel safe having them in the suitcase. So lifetime warranty. I'm gonna link the suitcase down below in the description box, as well as the packing cubes if you want to buy them separately. So don't forget to check out all the information below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And if you are curious to see another luggage comparison that I did on my channel, it will be here or here. And I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.
So strong.